So let's meet our superstar chefs. Now, first up, we have James Beard award-winning cookbook author and New York restaurant legend, the one and only Rocco the Real Deal DeSpirito. Next, we have West Coast restaurant mogul, Top Chef All-Star, and culinary madman, the one and only Chef Shenanigans, Brian Malarkey. And last, definitely not least, acclaimed executive chef, legendary chop judge, and world-class competitor, the one and only ICAG, Iron Chef Alex Guarnaschelli. We all know that you can create very impressive upscale dishes. So I want you to cook something closer to home. I want you to make the judges a hometown favorite.
Okay, all right.
The plate of food that you love to eat because it reminds you of home.
I can't believe I'm gonna put the three of you through.
Of all the events we've been to, this is gonna be the one that you remember the most.
Oh, here we go. That was it.
What was?
You said one.
Listen, don't go complaining to me.
Go! He said go!
I thought I had him. Attention, chefs.
What?
The store will be closing in 4 minutes.
What'd he say?
In 240 seconds, the store is going to be closed. Please return to your station.
No, no!
And by the way, this is just the beginning.
I need at least 5 minutes.
All right, chefs, stop the clock. Jules, where are you? He has brought in the brand new wheel just for you three. Jules, what do you think? You want to give it a spin?
Stop.
Come on! Oh, come on!
That's it. Station swap. Rocco into there. Go. Clock starts now. Let's go.
Hey, what were you gonna make?
Alex, I mean, this is right up your alley.
Guy, I'm game for anything. I'm gonna make like a hot dog with like some homemade ramp relish, some onions, something simple and tasty.
I could build a menu for a new restaurant here, actually.
You're welcome.
I am from New York City, so I don't eat a lot of fish tacos. That's gonna be hard.
If there was an award for who makes the biggest mess in their station,
It's me.
So I know I'm gonna have to cut this chicken down.
Okay, this is gonna get a little wild here in a second.
So it cooks really nice and evenly.
Get ready for cleanup, because we're gonna make a bit of a mess.
So I have my buns. They're ready. I drop those charred hot dogs on top. Then I put a little of the relish on everything, and then I just squeeze the dogs and like put them upright in the little basket. And then I cover it with all that ramp, relish, the mustard, all that just all the way down the length of the dog. Then I grab my potato chips and I just put those on the plate in a basket.
3 minutes.
So let's build the taco. I add the halibut. I add some avocado crema.
Oh my God, Rocco, that's prettier than what I was gonna make. You're amazing.
I'm trying to honor you, my brother. I want you to feel good about what you gave me. I top it with fried shrimp and cilantro.
1 minute, chefs.
Hot. Now that I have the cheese melted, I'm gonna take this giardiniera, the charred tomatoes and shallots, and I'm gonna kind of put those around the outside. And now I need to top it off with this fresh basil, lemon, and those Fresno chilies. This dish looks really, really good. And if I didn't know, I would have thought that Alex made it herself. New York City.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's it. Up first is going to be Chef Rocco. What's in there?
There's halibut, of course, there's shrimp, there's tortillas, there's a little avocado crema.
Wow, Rocco's Tacos, amazing. Acidity everywhere. I like the interactiveness. I love the color. I wouldn't change anything.
Thank you, Chef.
Up next, Shenanigans Guarnaschelli.
So we did do a little fried chicken in a tomato sauce with cheese.
You have the perfect amount of spice in that sauce that's slightly sweet from the ketchup. I think this all came together really, really nicely.
ICAG.
So I made a New York combo, a grilled hot dog with a ramp relish with grainy mustard.
This is everything I want in a hot dog, including the char and the pickliness and the relish.
The chef that will be checking out will be Chef. Nobody. I'm not letting you guys go anywhere.
I knew it.
I've got another terrible, evil game. You think I want you to miss it? I want you to make the judges burgers and fries. Burger and fries. Chickadee chow. Do you understand that now with Hunter's new job, he's into lawn care. And gophers are one of the number.
Go!
This side, Game numero 6. Guys talking like, only 4 minutes left. And this one is burgers and fries. Fries, fries, fries. So, don't tell Guy. Alex, Rocco, and I all say, all right, if it's burgers and fries, and we might have to switch carts again or something like that, let's all buy frozen potatoes.
Let me know when you find the frozen fries.
Hold up, hold up, hold up. Stop the clock. You are world-class chefs. I want to do a dish swap. Chefs, let's go and change it to a high-end dinner. 26 minutes. Time starts now. Good luck, high-end dinner.
Just deconstructed pork chop. This sounds high-end.
And I'm thinking like a stuffed onion with the beef, but I'm hoping that stuffed onion like looks really buttoned up.
Is it a stuffed onion?
I was gonna, yeah.
Oh, I like it.
For my high-end dinner, I'm gonna make Salisbury steak with Robuchon-style mashed potatoes.
Gorgeous.
Jonathan charred all the red onions. He added the truffles and the mashed potatoes. Now I want to try to finish and refine all my dishes. Robuchon potatoes are a very famous potato concoction.
What is the protein component of this dish? Woo! Look at those bad boys, huh? They look just like a Salisbury steak.
For me, Salisbury steak was an upgrade. While my Salisbury steak's in the oven, I'm gonna work on my sauce. So I add the tomatoes to my onions with the intention of making a sauce. Alex Guarnaschelli's reputation is basically flawless. She is the one to beat, and you don't always get to beat her. She only loses, 1 in 100 times. But I feel like it's a winning dish.
5 minutes, 5 to go.
When you say high end, it's all about my plating. The first thing I do is I put down my onions with the cheese, and then I stick some of the fried fries on top. When you say high end and you tell me to make a hamburger disappear and look like something else, this is where I go in my head.
3 minutes.
I got my silky mayonnaise mashed potatoes. Oh, yeah. I got my little whole grain mustard crusted deconstructed pork chop. I've got my spicy little aioli sitting right next to it, and I just top it off with a lot of smoked trout caviar right on top.
2 minutes.
So I lay down the Robuchon-style potatoes. I add the sliced medium rare filet mignon Salisbury steak.
It looks like he's serving up filet mignon, served on these Robuchon-style French fry mashed potato. I mean, this is craziness you're seeing.
And I sauce it with the tomato and onion confit.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Chefs, that's it. Stop working.
Yes.
Up first, Chef Shenanigans. What did you make for us?
So what I did was I did a deconstructed pork chop.
This is plating perfection. Absolutely elevating what was a burger and fries to look like this is true testament to your skill set. I really commend you on it.
Up next, ICAG. What do you have for us, Chef?
This is sort of a hamburger and fries by way of a French bistro. So these are roasted onions.
Chef Alex, what makes this high end is the attention to detail and the refinement and the care that was really executed with every ingredient on this plate.
Chef Rocco, what do you got, buddy?
My tornadoes of beef fell into the grinder on the way to the kitchen, so they ended up becoming, let's call them freeform tornadoes.
Chef Rocco, the Palm Robuchon with truffle is the best bite of food I had all day.
The interesting thing about this is, I think the joke got played on me. Maybe I picked the wrong people to mess with. It was lights out kind of behavior. But there can only be one winner. The winner of our all-star swap is... Congratulations and welcome back, ICAG, Alex Guarnaschelli. Come on.
Oh, wow.
Get it. So it's been a long time. Step up, step in, come in and win.
I am really excited that I won. I just enjoy grocery games. It's a game, and that's what makes it really fun.